Good morning, children. Today we will learn a new letter. It's letter F. F says fur. F for fan. F for frog. F for fox. Come on, children, let us start. Letter F. Big slanting line. Make a loop. Come down and touch the red line. Take a U-turn. Join this and just fold it. Big slanting line. Make a loop. Come down. Touch the red line. Make a U-turn up. Join this and fold it. Come on, follow me. We write F in 4 lines. Hold your pencil tightly and start writing. Big slanting line. Make a loop. Come down. Touch the red line. U-turn. Join this and just fold it. It's done. Thank you.